Don't download ShareScoops app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading ShareScoops app to follow the stock market or get investment tips, stop for a moment. Most people assume it's just a social investing platform, but the surprising truth is that it has both hidden limitations and potential risks that aren't immediately obvious. ShareScoops markets itself as a platform where users can share insights, track trends, and discuss stocks with a community of investors. While that sounds appealing, here's where most people get it wrong. The advice shared is user-generated. This means it's not vetted by professional analysts, and blindly following tips could lead to poor investment decisions. Even popular posts don't guarantee profitable outcomes. Another factor to consider is privacy and data. Social investing apps like ShareScoops often require access to your trading activity, watch lists, and personal profile to personalize the feed. While this enhances user experience, it also means your data is being collected and could be used in ways you might not anticipate. Then there's the issue of market influence. Sometimes, trending posts can create hype around specific stocks. Many users follow these trends without proper research, which can amplify volatility. If you're not careful, you might buy into a stock just because it's popular in the app, not because it's a good investment. On the positive side, ShareScoops can be a valuable tool for learning and staying informed about market sentiment. Engaging with a community of investors can provide new perspectives and help you spot trends faster than reading traditional news alone. In conclusion, don't download ShareScoops expecting a foolproof investment tool. It's best used as a supplement for research, not a primary source of stock advice. Always cross-check tips, understand the risks, and avoid making trades based solely on popularity. By approaching the app with caution and awareness, you can enjoy the community features without putting your money at unnecessary risk.